Hey, what's up? This is Rob from Panther, and today we're going to take a look at mockups in MidJourney. Also, if you want to learn how to make all these videos here in these examples and push your skills to the next level, I launched my Patreon page where I uploaded a bunch of these advanced tutorials. If you want to check them out, you can click the link in the description and access Patreon premium content, where you can access a bunch of high quality images and tutorials. For the first mockup example, I tried out the white t-shirt mockup, and basically this is the default and is the white t-shirt mockup concrete background AR 2x3. So basically it's gonna give you like these vertical images. This one is upscaled and it's kind of dirty. I didn't like that much. It's kind of grungy. I needed to clean that up. And I added a new prompt where we got here like soft concrete background. So this one is with soft prompt. Check this out. The first example is great, and here you can see upscaled. It's pretty clean. Next we got hoodies. Hoodies are super popular and I wanted to see if it's gonna give me like some good results. We got the black hoodie with model mockup. Super default mode, no control. So the AI basically brought me all kind of results with all kind of backgrounds and all kind of information on the hoodies. So let's go on. Let's try to isolate it. We got black hoodie with model mockup. Aspect ratio 2x3. Again, all the hoodies contain all kind of graphic designs and also the backgrounds. We got black hoodie with male model mockup, soft lighting, aspect ratio 2x3. Here you can see it started to clean up the background. It started to clean up the hoodies. Let's go on. We got black blank. We got the blank prompt here, and here you can see everything is cleaned up perfectly. The third and fourth examples are pretty good. And here you can see upscaled. All these examples are portrait shots. Not that bad, but I want more information included on the hoodie. Like to see the full hoodie instead of just a close-up portrait. I also included another prompt, which is the centered shot. So this way it kind of pushed the model a little bit more out of the frame. So you can see a little bit more information of the hoodie, but it's not enough still, but it's not that bad. This is the upscaled version. And next I also tried out another prompt, which is light background. I tried to make some lighter backgrounds because these are also dark, kind of dramatic. Next, we got like black blank hoodie mockup without the model centered shot. Here you can see the full hoodie, which is great. And here you can see another one isolated on gray. The isolated on ... basically you can incorporate a color, and that way MidJourney gonna change up the background specifically. Here you can see like an upscaled version of the hoodie. And mainly these were the experiments for today. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're new in the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.